Hey everyone, today let's learn how to make Miriyala Charu or pepper soup for rice. In a saucepan, first add oil and allow it to heat. Add mustard and cumin seeds. When the seed starts to sputter, add sliced onions. Do not slice the onions too thin. Saute the onions. Add some salt to retain the moisture. Mix it well. Add sliced green chillies and mix. Cover it and cook on low heat till the onion slightly softens. Give it a mix and add turmeric powder and saute till the raw smell goes. Add fresh mint leaves and mix well. Now add roughly chopped garlic pods and saute them. Add a big lemon-sized tamarind. Always wash tamarind before use. Mix it well. Now add water. Add some pepper powder and salt. Give it a mix. Cover it and cook till it comes to a boil. Now keep this boiling for up to 6 to 10 minutes. Taste it and adjust the salt. Switch off the stove and serve. This soup is eaten with rice. It gives warmth to your body during winters. If you're caught with cold severely, then this is your medicine. If you like this video, then hit that like button below and subscribe if you haven't. Also, please do share it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next Saturday.